Curioso, Lumeda, Barde, Villaflor, and Relata. Starting five for Addis Place, ex Bicol Wide, Brito, Magalong, Hermonio, Rito, and Aswer. Unang bola mapupunta sa Addis Place. Hermonio pull up 3. Wala. Rebound by Villaflor. Villaflor gathered by Aswer. Hesitate. Pass to Relata. Relata steal. Aswer ang may tangan ng bola. Aswer to Brito. Brito for 3. Kaboom! 3 points by Brito. Villaflor guarded by Aswer. Pick by Lumeda. Floater. Wala. Rebound by Lumeda. Nang Mama. Wala pa rin. Magalong to Hermonio. Hermonio dumidiskarte to Brito. Brito back to back 3. Wala. Rebound. Curioso. Villaflor dumidiskarte. Villaflor. Steal by Aswer to Brito. Brito, pick. Nabitawan ng bola. Rebound by Lumeda. Relata, guarded by Hermonio. Relata ng Mama. Wala. It's out. Relata to Barde. Barde for 3. Wala. Rebound. Lumeda. Lumeda. Bila kay Curioso. No look pass, turnover. Aswer, may tangan ng bola. Aswer, pick by Rito. Rito. Aswer, pass to Rito. Recovered. It's a foul. Foul by number 37, hacking foul. Aswer. Wala. First throw. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Barde. Barde hindi diskarte. Guarded by Brito. To Relata. Guarded by Hermonio. Pick by Lumeda. Still again. Aswer. Back to Brito. Brito. It's a foul ang tawag. Foul by number 28. Hacking foul. Bonus throw by Brito. Flick shot. Second throw. Nothing but net. Ganda ng free throw ni Brito. Barde ang didiskarte. Guarded by Jomar Brito. Barde. Kick out. Kick out to Lumeda. Lumeda attack. Guarded by Magalong. Wala. To Curioso. Curioso pull up. It's good. 3 points by Curioso. Good. To Brito. Brito double team. To Hermonio. To back to Brito. It's reverse layup by Rito. Ang laki. Ang laki mo, Rito. Black by Brito. Hermonio nagmamadali. Hermonio. Uy, kain. Score 9-3 in favor of Addis Place, ex Bicol Wide. Bawa Villaflor. Guarded by Aswer. Ma-steal ba? 4-3. Masyadong malakas. Rebound by Relata. Black by Magalong. Hermonio nagmamadali. nagpumeke. Floater. Napakagandang floater naman ni Rito. Relata. Relata ko to Corioso. Corioso for 3. Back-to-back 3 by Corioso. 2 points. 2 points rather. 2 points. Score 5-11 in favor of Addis Place X Bicol Wine. Aswer. To Magalong. Magalong. Wala. Rebound. Put back. Barde. Guarded by Hermonio. To Lumeda. Lumeda pumeke by Magalong. Nice contest. Out of bounds. Napalakas ang tira ni Lumeda. Ayun na. Magalong. Knockout play. Easy 2 points by Magalong. Score 13-5. 15-5 brother. Villaflor. To Barde. Barde naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Barde. To Lumeda. Lumeda umatras. Back to Corioso. Ganda sana ng pasa. Kay Relata. Timeout. BRK Bowlers. Ex-Jobs Dios. De Loyola to Doloso. Doloso guarded by Brito. Pick by D. Doloso for 3. Wala. Rebound by Hermonio. Hermonio nagmamadali. Hermonio, walang tinawag yung foul. De Loyola. De Loyola. To Corioso. Sobra. Rebound by Brito. To Aswer. Aswer to Rito. Rito pull up. Wala. Rebound again. Offensive rebound. Doloso to D. To Doloso. Doloso pull up for 3. Wala pa rin. Parang pagod pa ito si Doloso sa bokal. Bakbakan kanina. Ooh. Nice pull up jumper by Rito. Relata. Yun, nakakonect din si Relata. Ano saan problema? Substitution rep. Mendoza in, Aswer out. De Loyola. Tocorioso. Todoloso. Guarded by Brito. Doloso. Tocorioso. Curioso fake. Curioso attack. Curioso wala. Rebound by Rito. To Mendoza. Hermonio. Outlet pass. Doloso. Relata. Uy, wala. Rebound by again by Hermonio. Hermonio nagmamadali. Hermonio. It's a foul lang tinawag. Foul number 22. Pushing foul. Inbound play. Two minutes and 26 seconds remaining. 2 minutes. Magalong. Guarded by Duloso. To Mendoza, pull up. Wala. Out of bounds. Bola ng BRK. Substitution rep. Oh, release na. Release. Relata. Pull up for 3. Wala. Rebound by Mendoza. Uy, ang layo ng pasa ni Mendoza. Careless turnover. Ayo in. Hermonio out. Time out. Substitution. Rather. Sub lang. Sub. Miss. Parehas ang bola. De Loyola, atake, babangan si Rito. Tumindones, D for 3. It's good. Parang pininas dun si Dia. Mendoza to Brito. Mendoza to Ayo for 3. Wala. To Mendones. Antay ang kape. To D. Walang tawag. Ayo. Suleiman still. Brito recovered. It's good for 2. 1 minute remaining time. Ano sa makitang oras? 3 points. Joshua Ayo nagmamando ng opensa. To Soliman, low post move. Back to Rito, to Ayo. To Brito. Uy! Tip dunk by Brito. Score 21-13. 20 seconds. Curioso, guarded by Brito. 10 shot clock. 10 second shot clock. 8. Duloso, kapos. Way up. 5. 4. Score 21-13 in favor of Addis Place X Bicol Wine. And Sayang. Small but terrible. Loyola. Ayun. Susuliman. Uy! Wala naman kay Loyola. Kailangan outlet. Kailangan. Hindi ko kailangan. Pinsi. Pinsi. Kay Juan. 1-2 defense. Ang pinapakita ng Verde. Ayaw for 3. Easy point. 3 points by Ayaw. Alis na muna yan. Sabi niya Ayaw tumira. Mendonez. Veloso. Backward violation. Committed by Jimmy.
Okay na, boss?
Mendoza, Agua, Suleiman, Lobo, Paco Agua, swing again, De La Yota, Monilata, Uy, Ulapa, Lobo, Suleiman, Sintinakaw, Suleiman, Suleiman, ibabalik kay Mendoza, uy, screen, by Mendones, Mendones, easy to move by Mendoza. 4 17 Ayo, ang layo nun. Ayo. Sobra. From Sergio Guloso sa atake. Korilata. Korilata. Uy, number 1. Ganda ng laban. Pilit na. Nagpilit na ang Verde. It's a foul. Pagsanat. Ganda ng shooting for Pagsanat. Pagsanat, second row. Wow. Shooting for standard na pa rin. Guloso. Back to Guloso. Guloso. Pass to D. Mula. Sobra. Alvin Play. Mendoza sa puntaran. Guloso. Niloko si Agua. Wala. Walang foul ang ginawa. Suleiman penetrate. It's a foul. Foul number 77 of BRK. Foul number 77.
Blocking foul.
Blocking foul.
Blocking foul.
Second team foul.
Solo. 29.
29-19. Solid na. Pwede yan sa naka-standard naman ano. Mga Pilipindot ka pa rin ano. Loyola, excellent. Nice pula kay Loyola. Ang nakukuha yan dito ang PLP. Ang mga ginagawa ni Loyola. Mendoza. So Agua. Agua. Back to Mendoza. Salan. Wala. Back na sa board. Guloso ng lang na rin. Guloso speed. Almost a speed there. By Agua.
Outside.
Outside. Ball remains BRK bowler. Lopos. Lopos by D. D is coming. Cut. Wala. Rebound by Mendoza. Pick up by Mendoza. Black and foul by Mendoza. Committed by number 10. Third.
First. First team foul.
Third team foul na lang.
Third na.
Third team foul.
Yo. Hindi pa lang.
Mendoza Suliman, steal. Wala pa rin ang second steal. Tayo. Wala pa rin. Rebound ng Di Loyola. Wala pa rin. Nice defensive play. Kay Agua. Budok. Mendoza. Tinira, wala. Joshua Allen. Joshua Allen, tulungan ko. Floater, wala pa rin. Rebound by Loyola Salan. Wala pa rin. Bulosong. Torelasa. Relasa. Time out. Back to the ball game with 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for the second quarter.
Sub thrower. Maglaw. Nakalaw ko duwa. Pin. Aspect. Pin. Tumang mo doon. Okay.
First throw by Renata. First throw is good. Second throw.
Kombe. Dua.
Substitution red. In Barte, Renata out.
23 lang.
Ayon. Namando.
23.
To Mendoza. Pinch. Ayon. Agua. Agua for 3. Wala. Rebound by Villaflor. Villaflor. Naantay yung kakampi. Villaflor din yung kakampi. To Barte. 10 to shoot. Barte. Barte, crossover move ng Mama. Uy! Nakaisa dun si Barte. Mendoza for 3. Wala. Anticipate. Steal by V. Tuduloso. Steal by Ayo. Ayo to Suliman. Suliman for 3. Wala. Rebound by Nonoy Ponsalan. Rebound.
32.
Put back by Nonoy Ponsalan. Score 25-32 in favor of Gladys Blaze. Equal 1. Barte hesitate. Barte umatake. Tumira. Foul ang tinawag. Foul number 2.
Sir, ano nga po sa akin eh?
Hacking foul by number 2, Bodong Agua. Substitution red. Orioso in, D out. First throw by Barde. Nothing but net.
26. 22.
26-32. Barde, second throw, kapos. Ayon. Mendoza steal by Corioso. Then may violate yun. Uy, foul.
Pala.
Foul ang tinawag. Substitution rep. Thrower. Score 26-33 in favor of Addicts Place 6 Bicol Y with 4 minutes and 34 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Mendoza out, Hermonio in. Villaflor, nagdomando ng bola. Villaflor, atake. Wild shot, rebound by Magalong. Magalong with the intention rebound. Tuagwa, belong, atake. Wala pa rin, rebound again by Magalong. Magalong, easy put back by Magalong. Tao-tao na, na-display. May Corioso. Uy! Starting bata siya. Corioso again. Let's go. By Joshua. 28-33. Punsalan kumeke. Punsalan na atake. Matrap. Nice guard by Corioso. Shot clock 10. Still by William Flor. Bardeng. By Bodo. 1-on-1 play. Pineke. Wala. William Flor. 30-36. Anim na lang kalamangan ng Addis Place X Bicol Y. Hermonio. Uy, napakagad ng team chemistry talaga.
38.
Ni Hermonio.
30.
38-30. Balik sa 8 ang kalamangan. Still by Magalong. Tununoy Punsalan. Ang mamama. May tinawag na foul.
Penalty.
Penalty rep.
Penalty. Basketball. Dali ay. Ano lang.
Parte ang di-discount. Still by Hermonio. Punsalan. Wala. Walang tinawag. Number 19.
One.
Still by Ayo. Easy 2 points. Timeout by Arcade Bowlers. It's Jobs Dios. Score 30-43. Namagang kalamangan sa 13. Balik na naman sa 13 ang kalamangan. De Loyola from step to the ring. Wala. Rebound by Brito. Hermonio nagkamadali. Didiscarte. Hermonio steal by Mendones. Correlata. Correlata. Pinasa. Anticipated by Brito.
Taklak 14.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 14. Hermonio. Basic layup by Hermonio. 30-45. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Relata. Orioso. Easy 2 points. Ayong. Torito. Torito. Tapos. Rebound again. Uy, nabitawan mo rito. Ang laking mama nito.
1 minute, 2 seconds.
1 minute and 2 seconds. Mendones de discarte. Naka 3-2 zone defense. Mga distraction to the right.
50 seconds.
50 seconds. Correlata. Uy, ganda ang ating banda siya. So, Brito. Brito lang. Tumangat. It's a foul. Foul.
Penalty.
Penalty.
40 seconds.
40 seconds remaining.
Forty-six. Forty-seven.
40 seconds. De Loyola. Guarded by Ayo. Ayo. Mendones. Wala. Napakagandang hesi. Mendones. Socorrioso. Tumingin. Tumingin by Ayo. 8 seconds. 5. Foul number 39.
39. Sa'yo mo.
Penalty na kita na, penalty. Penalty red, penalty.
Seconds.
5 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Five seconds. 4, 3, 2. And of the first half, the Dream Team Basketball League opened. Sensor ang bola. VRK ball. Curioso. Low post by Curioso. Tuduloso. Pull up. Wala. Rebound again by De Loyola. Pass to Mendones. Mendones, babalik kay Curioso. Curioso pumiki. Guarded by Suliman. Nang mamama. Wala. Binalik sa labas. Mendones to Curioso. Wala pa rin. Aswer to Suliman. Suliman, Brito, for 3. Wala. Rebound by Curioso. De Loyola. De Loyosa to Doloso. 2 points by Doloso. 34-50. Addis Place, ex Bicol Wide. Agua to Suliman. To Nonoy Ponsalan, wala. Uy, ng box out. To Mendones, for 3. Nakadali rin si Mendones. 37-50, balik sa 13 na lang ang kalamangan ng Addis Place, ex Bicol Wide. Aswer, didiskarte. Aswer to Agua. To Suliman. Suliman, fake. Suliman. 10 to shoot. To Brito. To Aswer. Aswer atake. Aswer, desperation shot. Steal. Mendones. 2 points by Mendones. 7-0 run by VRK. Brito. To Aswer. Naka 2-3 zone. Aswer. Steal by De Loyola. Foul ang tinawag. Who's foul rep? Foul number 7. De Loyola, guarded by one of the best defender, Aswer. Tinawagan lang ng foul. Defensive player. But there's a holding foul by Aswer. Foul number 7. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Mendones, naghahanap ng mga pasahan. Pinasa kay Doloso. Almost a steal by Brito. To Curioso, for 3. Wala. Off to the right. Rebound by Ponsalan to Aswer. Aswer to Suliman. To Ponsalan. Ponsalan pull up. Wala yung signature move. Uy, na-steal pa noon ni Suliman. Brito. Brito atake. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Relata. Relata, nabitawan. Power move by Suliman. 52-39, balik sa 13. To Doloso, easy 2 points by Doloso. Reserve sub. 6 minutes. 41-52. 11 na lang ang kalamangan ng Addis Place ex Bicol Wide. So Agua, shot clock 10. Agua for 3. Nakalari rin si Budok. Budok, Agua for 3. Duloso. Back to De Loyola. Pick by Duloso. De Loyola, nakatakas. Uy, it's a block. Aswer to Brito. Brito, dire-diretso. Still by Suliman. It's good. Suliman. Uy, yun lang. Wild shot. Ang binigay ni Suliman. Substitution rep. Hermonio in. Aswer out. 41-57. 16-point lead by Addis Place ex Bicol Wild. Relata. Relata ang didiskarte. Naghihingi ng pick. Pick by Curioso. Relata. Step back 3. Patay. Signature move by Didon Relata. Hermonio. Hermonio didiskarte. Hermonio. Desperation 3. Wala. Rebound by Ponzalan. Easy 2 points by Ponzalan. Balik sa 15 ang kalamangan ng Addis Place ex Bicol Wild. Duloso for 3. Kaboom! (47-59). 12 na lang ang hinahabol ng BRK. Hermonio to Suliman. Suliman pull up. 2 points by Suliman. Ganda ng pace. Relata. Relata. Wala. Sobra. Rebound by Suliman. Suliman. Still. Duloso. Easy 2 points by Duloso. 49-61. With 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Hermonio. Hermonio to Ponzalan. Still. Almost a steal there. Suliman. Again. Jumper. Basic jumper. 63-49. 14 ang hinahabol ng BRK. Uy, wild pass. Binigay ni Diloy ang napakababa. Suliman. Suliman, atake. Wala, kinaliwa. Rebound by Hermonio. Inuha. Hermonio. Wala pa rin. Labas. Out of bounds. Labas ni Duloso. Magalong in. Mendoza in. Brito and Agua out. Bardi in, Mendones out. Ponzalan. Magalong. Inilabas kay Ponzalan. 10 to shoot. Ponzalan, desperation 3. Wala. Rebound. Uy. Nabitawan ni Duloso. Can't control the ball. 14 seconds. Magalong, inilabas to Hermonio. Almost steered there. Ponzalan. Ponzalan, signature shot. Wala. Tobarde, Relata. Belong-belo. 2 points by Relata. Mendoza, nagmamadali. Mendoza to Suliman. Suliman for 3. Sobra. BRK to Barde. Uy, lost ball by Barde. To Hermonio. Hermonio, crossover move, pull up. It's good. 2 points by Hermonio. 65-51 with 3 minutes remaining of the third quarter. Duloso. Duloso. To Villaflor. Pick by Duloso. RD Magalong o atake. 2 points by Magalong. 67-51. Barde naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pasa kay Villaflor. Kinukulit ni Mendoza. Mendoza. Uy, napakagandang pasa naman nun. Two minutes. Hermonio to Mendoza. Shot clock 10 seconds. 8, 5, 4. It's good. Basket count. 53-69. Relata. Foul. Ano yung tawag, rep? Basket count ang tinawag ni rep. Continuation. Substitution, rep. Tuloso out. D in. Relata with a bonus retro. Lumeda in, Relata out. Boss Precious. Maalaga ka talaga, Boss Precious. Boss. For 3. Isa ito pa rin, si Ayo. Mendoza. Kinukulit. Grabing kulit. Kulit ni Mendoza. Pull up jumper. Nakadali rin si Barde. Hermonio, tumagalong, outlet pass. Uy, napakadali ng bawi. Villaflor. Villaflor kinukulit ni Mendoza. Mendoza, madali pa ma-ankle break. Wala, wild shot. Ang bilis ng pace ng Addis Place, binibilisan. Torito, Ayo. Boarding, foul. Ang tinawag. Foul. Number 6, holding foul. Perang team foul na. Apat. "30 seconds. Wow, floater. Wala. Rebound by Corioso. Pivot. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Mendoza. 19 seconds. Mendoza for 3. Awa. Nag-iinit na si Mendoza. 10. 5. 4. 2. Bang! Basket count by Barde. Score 61-77, 16-point lead ang habulin ng VRK Bowlers 6 Jumps Dios. Best of 3 series. Next schedule, November 30, 8 p.m. Game 2. Isbi. Sangguniang Bayan. Last and final quarter. Mahabol kaya ng VRK Bowlers? Mendoza to Ayo. Steal. De Leola. Back to De Leola. Floater. It's good. Ano kayang strategic plan ng ginawa ni Coach Gino? Magalong. Guarded by Duloso. To Mendoza. Mendoza atake. Back to Ayo. Ayo. Pumihit. Napakagandang team chemistry naman ang pinakita ng Addis Place. Duloso. Tobarde. Belong-belo. For 3. Wala. Ayo. Didiskarte. Ayo to Hermonio. Hermonio. Haatake. Hermonio. Uy, kinaliwa pa. 81-63. Namagana sa 18 Kalamangan. Duloso, belong-belo. Ayo. Wala. Medyo minamala si Ayo. Rebound by Magalong. To Rito. Rito. Ang laking tao. Wala. Pressured by Duloso and Curioso. Jump ball. Position arrow. Belong to BRK. De Loyola. To Curioso. Curioso for 3. Wild. Sobra. Hermonio. Nagmamadali. Hermonio pumihit. Steal by Barde. Barde atake. Binalik kay Duloso. Gandang pasa. 2 points by Duloso. To Mendoza. Belong-belo for 3. Wala. Rebound again by Magalong. Power rebound. Magalong ng mamama. Kuha ni De Loyola. Verde ho. Wala. Binalik kay De Loyola. To Barde. Barde for 3. Wala pa rin. 67-81. 7 minutes. Wala. Walang tawag. Curioso. To De Loyola. Rebound. Patagasan ka mo. Up, up. Hermonio, didiskarte. To Magalong, low post move. To Rito, easy shot by Rito. 83-67. Maintain ng Kalamangan. De Loyola. De Loyola, pull up. Block by Ayo. Ponsalan. Ponsalan. Tingnan natin kung dadakdak. Wala. Mukhang kinapos. Joseph, ay, bako, Nonoy. Ay, itong dakulaon. Ay, yo. Curioso, low post. Wild shot. Hermonio, lilipad. Basic shot. Warning. Number 25 for delaying the game. Barde, 3. 70-87. 17 ang Kalamangan. Out of bounds. De Loyola to Duloso. Duloso desperation 3. Wala. Rebound by Rito. Ponzalan to Hermonio. Hermonio. Bibigay ang pasa kay Rito. Rito. Steal by De Loyola. Pass to Barde. Anong tawag, rep? Was number 4. Ano nga po duman, sir? Ano nga po duman? Clear path foul. Sir, clear path. Clear path foul. Free throw and ball position. Sige, sige. Time out, time out. Time out. Time out. Addis Place, ex Bicol Wide. Score 87-71 with 5 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Matao-tao na ko. Ayaw man nangyayari. Di ba nga ba din? Ako, pag ano nangyayari, matao-tao na ko. Daw ano pa? Tao-tao. Daw pa? Sakripisyo pa din? Tigos lang kay Bon sa tao-tao. Barde. Pick by Duloso. To Duloso. Duloso guarded by Ponzalan. Crossover. Shot clock, 10 seconds. To Villaflor, wala. Mukhang minamala si Villaflor. Anong last game pa yan? Torito, guarded by Curioso. Curioso, susukatin. Steal by Villaflor. Villaflor to Barde, back to Barde. Barde for 3, off to the right. Rebound by Hermonio. Hermonio, Torito, back to Hermonio. Torito. Rito pupukol ng 3. It's good. Rare 3 by Rito. Villaflor nakatakas. 2 points by Villaflor. Reserve sub. Hermonio didiskarte. 90-73 for 3. Wala. Torrelata to Barde. Barde 2 points. 75-90, 15 points lead by Addis Place ex Bicol Wide. Hermonio to Agua. Shot clock 10 seconds. 5, 4. Easy putback by Rito. Relata. Baka isi Aquino. Ano mabuhat-buhat yan. Furioso. Blocking foul ang tinawag. Substitution rep. Sub rep. (76-92) with 3 minutes remaining, and rather 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. Furioso. 77-92. To Brito. Brito. To Agua. Agua. Back to Brito. 10 to shoot. Brito. Di makalusot sa depensa. Ponsalan for 3. Bang! Napakagandang shooting form. Villaflor. Villaflor, hesitate. Back to Duloso. Duloso for 3. Nakuha sa ano. 80-95 with 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Brito, Aswer, nakatakas. Uy, yun lang, walang box out. Last 2 minutes. Villaflor. Uy, dunk ko ta to eh. For 3, nakadari rin si Villaflor. Kay tagal ng panahon. 83-97, 14-point lead. Brito, guarded by Villaflor, nawala. Steal by Barde. Barde. Uy, natapik sa likod ni Agua. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Score 83-97. 14 points lead. Duloso, desperation 3 for 3, wala. Agua, relax lang daw. Brito, side-stepping mode, it's a foul. Hard foul ang binigay ni Villaflor. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Bonus throw. Igwa. Ibago. Igwa. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Villaflor, wala ba? Op! One minute. Shot clock 14. Magalong for 3. 101-83. Villaflor to Barde. Barde for 3. Babawi ba? Wala. 40 seconds. Brito, dadakdak. Wala. Kinapos. Pagod na si Brito. Congratulations, Addis Place X Bicol Wine for gaining Game 1. Next schedule, November 30, Game 2 of Best of 3 Series. Congratulations.